Please tell me what happened.
Yeah, so I just dropped it on its face last night. It already had like a minor crack in it, so that triggered a full like screen shatter.
Okay, alright. Yeah, looks pretty bad.
Yeah,
But don't worry.
great.
Yeah, okay. Makachoke. Thank you. Here without cracks, and yeah, everything looks fine.
This is awesome. It looks great.
Thank
I'm
you.
glad you guys are here. It takes a long time to get a new phone and get it fixed from back in the States. So, yeah, no, it looks great.
Thank you very much.
Thanks,
Thank
guys.
you.